everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Chiku. Hope you all are in good health. In the previous episode, we have already learned what is a sentence and how do we write a sentence. In today's episode, I will explain the two parts of a sentence. Let's begin. Every sentence that we speak or write consists of two parts. Number 1, the subject, and number 2, the predicate. Now my friends, what is subject? In this sentence, the person, animal, place or thing we are talking about is called a subject. A noun or a pronoun can be used as the subject in a sentence. And what is predicate? In this sentence, what we are talking about the subject is called a predicate. Predicate consists of verb or doing word or action word. Please note my friends, the subject usually comes before the predicate. But in questions or exclamations, the subject can be in the middle of the predicate. Examples: the girl is drinking tea. In this sentence, the girl subject because the girl is spoken about. Is drinking tea predicate because it tells us something about the girl. A clock tells the time. In this sentence, a clock subject because a clock is spoken about. Tells the time predicate because it tells us something about a clock. The cow eats grass. In this sentence, the cow subject because the cow is spoken about. Eats grass predicate because it tells us something about the cow. Bahadur is eating an ice cream. In this sentence, Bahadur subject because Bahadur is spoken about. Is eating an ice cream predicate because it tells us something about Bahadur. Mary had a little lamb. In this sentence, Mary subject because Mary is spoken about. Had a little lamb predicate because it tells us something about Mary. The horse is white. In this sentence, the horse subject because the horse is spoken about. Is white predicate because it tells us something about the horse. Hope you liked today's episode. Please like, share and subscribe my channel